What's up guys, Chase Reiner here. If you'd like to join the Facebook group, make sure you head to the link in the description. It's a white hat SEO network full of other SEOs like yourself. And let me just get into the first question. So the first question is from Sahim. He says, hi all, what are some of the key SEO tasks you normally outsource or delegate to a VA so as to make your work easier? So that's a good question, Sahim. When I first started SEO, I didn't have a VA, and really I don't know if it's completely necessary to have one, but they do help with certain things. And what I generally use my VA for is for outreach. So this is what she's been doing lately. She'll go out and look for SEO tools on the internet and actually compile a list of all those different tools and then outreach to the people who own those tools, asking for discounts and for content, unique descriptions for those tools for a blog post I'm writing. She's going to be doing the same thing for Facebook groups, for SEO conventions, and really it makes it so much easier to have somebody do all this outreach for me and compile these lists and do things that I probably wouldn't be wanting to spend the time myself doing because it takes a lot of manual time, but things that are still extremely important. So VAs, like I said, are great for outreach. They're also great for doing other manual tasks. Say, for instance, you want to do review generation, like you wanted to go out and ask all your existing clients for reviews, but you don't want to go out and do that yourself, so you draft up an email and have your VA do that for you. Or say you need to get social media posts scheduled. There's tons of things that you can have VAs do, but it also really depends on what they're actually good at, because I would recommend that you get different types of VAs, meaning that you have somebody who's actually going to be doing outreach, perhaps somebody who's going to be doing content-based work for maybe your clients' websites or your own websites. I have a couple of content writers for my SEO site and also my gaming site, and then probably some sort of video editor to help edit videos like this one. So I'm going to have somebody go and actually edit this video once I'm done, but they're actually in-house. But you can always take video and send it online if you want somebody overseas to do it for cheap or whatever. So that's what I use my VAs for. Like I said, it's not necessary, but it is helpful, and I think the best way to use them really is for content-based purposes. And as you guys know, I'm a big believer in investing in content. That's it for today. That's hopefully a good answer for you, Sahim, and until I see you all next time, happy SEOing.